the instructions.
In the previous module, you learned about the present indefinite form of verbs, where all action words come in the first form. Today, we will be focusing on the past indefinite form, where all action words come in the second form. As always, it is important to read, write, speak and record to fully grasp the concepts and appreciate the beauty of the English language.
Read the sample task.
Last Sunday, I woke up very late and my mom had to sprinkle water to wake me up while my dad shouted at her to be strict with me. I started my day by watching TV while sipping on a mug of hot milk. At around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I took a bath and had a delicious lunch. Later in the evening, we went out and visited one of our relatives. After returning home, we watched an English movie called Oh My God, which was about trust in God. The story revolved around the life of an atheist who didn't believe in the existence of God but eventually had to accept that there was a supernatural power that ruled our lives.
Do the given task.
Remember what you did last Sunday during the whole day. Write down the activities that you performed against each schedule.
Write an original piece.
Write a short paragraph on how you spent your last Sunday in about 10 lines. Last Sunday, I woke up early and prepared a hearty breakfast. After that, I went for a refreshing morning walk in the nearby park. Later, I met up with some friends for brunch at a cozy cafe. We enjoyed chatting and catching up on each other's lives. In the afternoon, I indulged in some leisure reading, immersing myself in a captivating novel. In the evening, I watched a movie at home and cooked a delicious dinner. Overall, it was a relaxing and enjoyable day filled with simple pleasures.
Learn a grammar topic.
Past indefinite. We use past indefinite form to refer one-time completed action. It means the action is finished by the time we speak. It's about the past which happened a few minutes before or an hour, a week, a year. Using auxiliaries. There was a king. I could play well. You were a little kid last year. Your friend could dance like a snake. They had their food. Using finite forms. I took my breakfast at 8 o'clock. My father spoke to me yesterday. We had a building last year. Grandpa sold it for 2 million.
Deal with the rule.
We form short answer-type questions out of past indefinite forms. Usually we interchange the subject with the auxiliary verb to make interrogatives. You could speak French. Could you speak French? You were an idiot. Were you an idiot? I was thirsty. Was I thirsty? In case the subject is a finite, we hire did to form questions. They worked hard. Did they work hard? You treated me like a fool. Did you treat me like a fool? She behaved like an officer. Did she behave like an officer? My teacher taught excellently. Did my teacher teach excellently?
Perform the exercise.
Change the sentences into interrogative forms. 1. He started a business. 2. She sent me a letter. 3. I gave you a pen yesterday. 4. Students took exams daily. 5. They could buy a new car. 6. The pattern of exam changed. 7. You were absent yesterday. 8. Everybody missed you. 9. Nobody went to the canteen. 10. We all stayed hungry.
Record your written task.
Carefully record your voice with the material that you have drafted yourself. After that, I went for a refreshing morning walk in the nearby park. Later, I met up with some friends for brunch at a cozy cafe. We enjoyed chatting and catching up on each other's lives. In the afternoon, I indulged in some leisure reading, immersing myself in a captivating novel. In the evening, I watched a movie at home and cooked a delicious dinner. Overall, It was a relaxing and enjoyable day filled with simple pleasures unlike any other working days.
Speak it aloud.
Take help of the summary or some flashcards to make a better presentation. Last Sunday, I woke up early and prepared a hearty breakfast. After that, I went for a refreshing morning walk in the nearby park. Later, I met up with some friends for brunch at a cozy cafe. We enjoyed chatting and catching up on each other's lives. In the afternoon, I indulged in some leisure reading, immersing myself in a captivating novel. In the evening, I watched a movie at home and cooked a delicious dinner. Overall, it was a relaxing and enjoyable day filled with simple pleasures unlike any other working days.
Create higher order paradigm.
Here is a short passage about someone's daily routine. Take information from the paragraph and write a conversation between two friends. I wake up early, exercise briefly, and then shower. After dressing, I have breakfast and prepare for work. During the day, I attend meetings, complete tasks, and have lunch. In the evening, I unwind with hobbies, spend time with family, and enjoy dinner. Afterward, I relax with a book or TV before bed. Throughout the day, I aim to stay hydrated and take short breaks to stay focused. This routine helps me maintain balance and productivity while ensuring I take care of my physical and mental well-being.
Perform your role from the skit.
First friend: wow, you are quite the early bird, aren't you? Second friend: yeah, I find that starting my day early sets a positive tone for the rest of it. How about you? What's your morning routine like? First friend: well, I'm more of a night owl, to be honest. I usually struggle to wake up early. But I admire your dedication to exercise first thing in the morning. Second friend: thanks. It took some getting used to, but now it's become a habit. I find that exercising in the morning gives me a boost of energy for the day ahead. First friend: that makes sense. I've heard that morning exercise can increase alertness and improve mood. After you exercise, do you have time for breakfast before heading to work? Second friend: absolutely. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I make sure to have a nutritious meal to fuel my body and mind for the day ahead. How about you? Do you have a morning routine that includes breakfast? First friend: well, not exactly. I usually grab something quick on my way out the door. But hearing about your routine makes me think I should prioritize breakfast more. Second friend: it's definitely worth considering. A good breakfast can make a big difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. Speaking of which, how do you manage your tasks and meetings during the day? First friend: oh, I try to stay organized with to-do lists and reminders on my phone. But sometimes it feels like I'm just reacting to whatever comes my way. Second friend: I understand. It can be challenging to juggle everything, but having a plan in place can definitely help. Maybe we can brainstorm some strategies together sometime? First friend: that sounds like a great idea. I could use all the help I can get. Share this joke. Why did the rat suspect the bamboo who was taking a bath in the pond? Because he thought the bamboo might be hiding his missing knickers, but it turned out he was just bamboo's lead.